Hey guys, this is Erin with Pay It Forward Taxes, and I wanted to make this video to teach you how to make payments to the IRS when you owe federal taxes. So there are three ways that you can pay. The first way is that you can pay directly through your bank account. And just so you know, this website that I'm on is irs.gov/payments, as you can see up here. And it'll bring you to this page. When you're on this page, on the left-hand side, you'll see the three buttons that you'll need depending on how you want to pay. The first way is directly through your bank account. So you would click Bank Account, and then it's going to open up this page, and you can click Make a Payment or Look Up a Payment. When you make a payment, you're going to select your reason for payment, and your reason is going to be tax return or notice. Apply payment to your 1040, which is the standard tax return file. Tax period for payment is going to be 2019 or whichever tax year that you owe for that we helped you file. Click Continue, and it's just confirming that this is correct. We're going to click OK, and then you have a verification of identity that's necessary in order to move further in the process. So that means they're going to need to verify your previous tax year's information. So you're going to want to fill this part out, and as you continue down these steps, you'll be able to make a payment directly through your bank account. I'm not going to put my information in there because I don't want to put it in there for everyone to see, but that's how you do, that's how you make payment directly through your bank account. Now, if you want to pay by debit card or credit card, you're just going to click on that option in the menu. And then you're going to come down and pay. I would recommend this one here, but either one of these you can make payments online. It's just going to lay out for you the fees that are associated with it, because these are third-party organizations that are partnered with the IRS that enable you to pay online with a debit or credit card. So if you're paying by debit card, it's going to charge you $2.58 more. If you pay by credit card, it's going to charge you a 1.87% minimum fee of $2.59, or 1.87% of whatever it is that you're paying. So just go ahead and decide on which one. The one that I would recommend is Pay 1040, so click Make a Payment. And then you're going to click on Form 1040 Series right here. And the tax category is going to be for personal taxes or business taxes, depending on what was filed for you. And the tax form is going to be the 1040 series. That's there by default. Then the tax form option, we're going to click the current tax return year, which is 2019. If you're doing a prior year, just select the correct date. Then you're going to put in the payment amount. Let's say it's a $100 payment I'm making. Filing location within the US, and continue. Oh, I guess I didn't click return year. Okay. Okay, this one just says, click here if you received a notice from the IRS in the mail regarding this payment. I did not, so I'm going to click OK. And then I'm going to put in, you're going to want to put in for yourself your Social Security number, your spouse's Social Security number if you have that, your primary first name, last name, date of birth, address, and all of that information. Once you do that, it'll ask you to confirm the details and put in your card info, and then click OK, and you will be all set as far as making a payment online. The one thing we definitely recommend you do is you keep a copy of every receipt that you have for every payment that you make, whether it's a mailed-in payment, a bank direct payment, or you're paying online through a debit card or credit card. Just make sure you make a copy, whether it's a screenshot of what's on your computer, and you put it in a secure folder. Just keep a copy of it, so if the IRS ever comes back to you and says, hey, we never got a payment for that, you'll be able to have proof that you did indeed pay for your taxes. Now, if you would like to set up a payment plan, you can do that by clicking on Payment Plan. And then you're going to want to click Apply or Revise as an individual. If you don't have an IRS account, you can create one. Or if you have one, Go ahead and put your username and so forth and log in, and it'll walk you through applying to see if you qualify to make for a payment plan as an individual. If you need a payment plan for a business, you can do that here, and you can apply or revise a payment plan by clicking on that button. Hey, if you decide that you want to mail in a payment to the IRS and don't want to pay it electronically, you're going to want to take your payment voucher that's attached to your 1040 form, and it's going to look like this. At the bottom, you're going to want to detach and mail this portion of this document along with your check directly to the IRS. So just cut right here, fill out this information with your personal information, and then attach your check and mail it to the correct IRS office. You can go into the next page, and it says if you live in one of these states, you're going to want to send it to this address over here. So that is how you make a payment if you're mailing in a payment. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. I'm more than happy to walk you through exactly how to do it, but we just wanted to send this video out so you have the step-by-step process on how to make payments to the federal government for your taxes. Thanks so much for watching.